Hello, Mr. Kaczynski with you, working on slope-intercept form. We're going to graph an actual equation today. This is from section S of IXL's Algebra 1 skills. So remember, what's slope-intercept form? It's any equation in the form y equals mx plus b. That number that's being multiplied by x, we call that our slope, our constant rate of change. And the number that's being added to that product, or maybe even subtracted, is the y-intercept, the value of y when x is 0. All right, those are two important things that we're going to use to graph a line. So on this one, that -9 is where I'm going to start. That is literally our starting point. That's our y-intercept. Okay, so that's this point. The value of y is -9 when x equals 0. Our slope is right there being multiplied by x, and that's 7. That means that x, or our y value, will go up 7 from -9 to -2 in this case, every time the x value goes up 1. So that point right there. And a line through those 2 points, there we go, would give us the line of that equation. That's going to be that line right there. So we just plot the y-intercept, use the slope to get another point, and we've got a line running through those 2 points that represents all the solutions to y equals 7x minus 9. Let's do it again. See some different kind of pairings here. In this case, our y-intercept is 7. That's this point right here. Our y-intercept is our slope is -6. Meaning we're going to go down 6 with the y's, so from 7 to 1. That's a decrease of 6 every time x goes up 1. And that gives us another point right there. So I can just run my line through these 2 points. There we go. So it's got a y-intercept of 7 and a slope of -6. Slope of negative slopes meaning going down from left to right. Now our y-intercept is 3. Right here. And our slope is 1/9, meaning the y value goes up 1 every time the x value goes up, every time the x value goes up 9. So if we make a line that goes through those 2 points, then we would have a line that represents our slope. Or that represents that equation, rather. I'm sorry. A little distracted by my computer going slow today. All right, y-intercept, -2. Slope, 3/8. That means rise over run. Rise of 3, run of 8. So that's all the points we need in order to graph a line through our y-intercept at -2, and then using our slope, extend it right through those points. There we go. That's a line with a slope of -2 and a slope of 3/8 and a y-intercept of -2. One more. Y-intercept 5. Just plot that point. All you got to do is click it on IXL, and then if you just click one more point that is down 4 and right 3 of that one, so down 4 and right 3, then you will have your line. All you got to do is select those 2 points on IXL. All right, so we start at our y-intercept And then we run the slope right through that other point. And boom, we got a line. So that's how you graph an equation using slope-intercept form. Good luck. Let me know how it goes in the comments.